So here in Bannack, Montana, which is one of the more, I guess you could say, popular ghost towns to visit because now it's actually become a state park. And so it's very cool to walk around because these are all original buildings. They've kind of moved them to, congregate them to make it look like kind of what the town might have been. And you're allowed to walk in and go inside. You know, ghost towns like this that are set up to kind of for tourists are a little bit different because they have to do things to maintain the buildings, compared to places that things are just crumbling and eventually will go away. So, it is a very cool place to check out. It is way out here in the middle of nowhere. Final impressions after spending quite a bit of time in Bannack. I think it's definitely some place that if you like ghost towns, if you like the West and the history, definitely a must see. The only thing is that, you know, it's kind of touristy, and it's very authentic. You know, there's a lot of original buildings. The hotel is spectacular, but you know, it just loses a little bit by, you know, um, by having a little bit of a touristy feel. I know they have to do that to keep it from people coming in and, you know, graffitiing up the place. If you've been to somewhere or seen somewhere like Twin Arrows in Arizona or something like that, I mean, it would be destroyed by vandals and people like that. So I get why they do it, and I'm glad that they've restored it and they've made it into something cool. But it's a little bit different. But definitely glad I came, and I'd definitely recommend visiting Bannack if you're ever in Montana.